Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I just wanted to take you along my Sunday routine, just my weekly refresh for the new week and just getting started to try to make every week, every day, the best day it can be. It's nothing major, it's not deep cleaning, it's just, getting ready for a new week and just some of the things that I like to do on my Sundays. So let's get started, and maybe you can figure out something that I'm doing that you might want to include. So let's get going. So of course, first thing first, I always have a cup of coffee and I just check my phone and, cuddle with the dogs and just, start my day off that way. But the first thing I do on a Sunday morning is come in and strip the bed. I wash my sheets every Sunday and I do my bedspread every other Sunday. So this was a week that I was doing both. So I stripped those down, got them started in the wash. And then what I like to do is come back and I spray down the mattress with an anti-bac spray and pillows and that, type of thing. So I get all of the bedding ready in the laundry and then I spray everything down. Then I just like to check the laundry room, check the dryer. Do I have anything that's clean in the dryer that needs to get folded? Get that folded, put away, for the week or, just get rid of that. And then I like to go around and just pull laundry from, my bathroom or my closet. This weekend happened to be where my son was here and he, had some clothes here that he showered after work and got ready for a dinner party. So, I just round up any laundry that needs to be done and I just store that in the laundry room because I usually do clothing or laundry on Monday. I do my sheets on Sunday, but I do the laundry starting on Monday. Next thing I like to do is, since I'm going to have, clean bedding and my sheets are clean and everything on that end, I like to just do a quick vacuum of my room. I don't do deep cleaning on Sundays. It's just a refresh. It's just sprucing everything up. I may have deep cleaning the next day, but I just like to just start the week with a clean slate. Then before I move up to the kitchen and the family room, I like to just take a minute to journal, read some inspirational books or quotes or verses or just, take a little time for me and just, enjoy a book, enjoy journaling, and just, kind of get out any feelings or anything that happened during the week. So that's my next step. Of course, it's so important to hydrate. So I always try to make these big, I love this Stanley cup, and I just make a big thing of ice water with lemon. And then I like to sit down and just plan out my week, check my phone, check my schedule, see what I've got coming up and what I need to add, or, maybe some things I try to take a look at and, put on the calendar for the week. So it's a good time to just prep for the week.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing. But if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. And I'm feeling the way I do. Uh-huh. 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you.
Sunday is always a good day to remember to just, water your plants, inside plants. That's just, Sunday's watering plant day for me. So I always like to water. I really try to keep all of my plants in one area. One, because they love the sunshine that they get and the light. But two, it's just nice and easy to keep everything in one spot. So when I'm watering, I'm not going all over the house forgetting some. And that is it. That completes my Sunday refresh and just getting ready for the week. I have all this stuff. This is all donate and thread up that I just did my big closet clean out. But I love how fresh and clean my bed is. And I just feel, like empowered for the week. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you got some motivation and some ideas to help kick off your best week and just help create your best home. And have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.